I would never believe that such situation could happen. Russia says Ukrainians are their brotherly nation, but this is absolutely not true. Neither by blood, nor by courage, nor by intellectual potential. I have just recently seen that Ukrainians created a lot of IT apps and smart devices. ReFace, PetCube, Mriya, Ajax, Delfast, Senstone, just to name a few. Did you know that Ukrainians' medical and military technologies are among the most powerful in the world? Researching the issue, I learned that Ukraine is a recognized space power in the world. It's one of the leading countries in the market of space service and technologies. Even the world-famous Elon Musk noted the crucial role of Ukraine in the development of the space industry. And just imagine, the largest and strongest aircraft in the world also originates from Ukraine. It was designed and assembled there, and yet the Russia occupiers destroyed their Mriya, which means dream. So we need to make the real dream of Ukrainians a reality, to accept them in our European family. Ukraine is the future.